Hey guys! Ever wondered how to harvest bananas the right way? You may have eaten dozens of bananas in your life, but do you know how they get from the plant to your kitchen? If you want to learn how to harvest bananas, when is the perfect time to pick them, and why this fruit is one of the most powerful snacks you can eat, then stay tuned. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot today, and by the end, you might just want to grow your own banana plant. Let's jump right in. So, let's start with the basics. Bananas don't actually grow on trees, surprising, right? They grow on tall, herbaceous plants that look like trees, and these plants can get up to 30 feet tall. After planting, it takes around 9 to 12 months for the bananas to be ready for harvest. But here's where it gets interesting. Knowing exactly when to pick the bananas is key to getting the perfect taste and texture. You want to harvest bananas when they're still green and firm, because if you wait until they're yellow on the plant, they'll be overripe and mushy by the time you eat them. Not great. Early morning is the best time to harvest because the cooler temperature helps keep the bananas firm, making them easier to transport and store. Now, here's the fun part. What do you need to get started? Not much, actually. You just need a sharp knife or a machete to cut the banana bunches, gloves to protect your hands from the sticky sap that comes out of the plant, and a basket or container to hold the harvested bananas. Oh, and a little tip for safety. Some goggles to protect your eyes from any flying debris when you cut the plant is always a good idea. Once you have all your tools ready, you're set for harvesting. Let's talk about how to do it. You want to approach the banana plant gently, so you don't damage it. Look for a healthy bunch of bananas that's fully grown but still green. Hold the banana bunch with one hand, and with the other hand, use your knife to cut the stem at an angle. The trick is to support the bunch so it doesn't fall and bruise the fruit. Once it's cut, gently place the bananas in your basket. It's important to handle them with care because bananas bruise easily, and we want them to stay perfect. After harvesting, what's next? Well, now you need to take care of your bananas to make sure they ripen properly. Don't leave them in direct sunlight, as that will cause them to ripen too quickly. Instead, store them in a cool, shaded place. Bananas are best kept at room temperature, but if you want to slow down the ripening process, you can wrap the stems in plastic wrap or store them in a cooler area. This will help you enjoy your bananas for a longer time without them going bad. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Why bananas are so amazing for you. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is great for your heart and muscles. If you've ever had muscle cramps, you've probably heard someone say, "Eat a banana." That's because the potassium helps reduce cramps and improves muscle function. Bananas also contain vitamin C and B6, which are important for your immune system and overall energy levels. Plus, they're a natural source of fiber, which means they're great for digestion. If you're feeling down or stressed, guess what? Bananas can help with that too. They contain tryptophan, which helps your body produce serotonin, also known as the happy hormone. So, eating a banana can actually improve your mood. How cool is that? Another awesome thing about bananas is that they're super versatile. You can eat them as a snack, add them to smoothies, use them in baking, or even freeze them to make ice cream. They're also great for athletes because they provide a quick boost of energy, thanks to their natural sugars. Whether you're prepping for a workout or need a healthy snack on the go, bananas have you covered. If you're harvesting bananas to sell, here's what you need to know. Presentation matters. If you're selling at a local market, make sure your bananas look fresh and clean. A quick rinse before displaying them can make a huge difference. You can also use social media or local selling apps to reach more customers. Bananas are always in high demand, so if you've got a good supply, you'll have no trouble finding buyers. Lastly, if you're storing bananas for yourself or your family, there are a few tricks to keep them fresh longer. As I mentioned earlier, wrapping the stems in plastic wrap slows down the ripening process. You can also separate the bananas if you notice some ripening faster than others. This prevents them from all going bad at once. And if you want to freeze bananas for smoothies or baking, just peel them, slice them, and store them in an airtight container in the freezer. Frozen bananas make the perfect base for homemade ice cream or smoothies. So there you have it. Harvesting bananas isn't just easy, it's also incredibly rewarding. You get fresh fruit straight from the plant, and you know exactly how it was grown and when it was picked. Plus, you get all the amazing health benefits that come with eating bananas. Whether you're growing them in your backyard or just curious about the process, I hope this video gave you some valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips on farming, gardening, and healthy living. And if you have any questions or want to know more about harvesting other fruits, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy harvesting.